Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another rack store pickup, and this time I was able to grab something from Burlington that I passed on a couple times. Today I was at Burlington and I said, you know what? It's here. It's the only one on the shelf. It's time to grab it. I'm really excited to dig into this one. Of course, the fragrance we are talking about is Hugo Reflective Edition. And I want to say this is a 2023 release. And this is an eau de toilette. This is the 75 ml, and I paid $24.99. So I was really impressed with the last Hugo that I tried. It was the Man Intense, I believe, which was a really nice fragrance. I ended up doing a giveaway on that scent. So as always, I'm going to dig into this one. I'm going to try it on strip first, see what I pick up from it, then try it on skin and let you guys know my overall thoughts, if it's worth grabbing for the $25. I haven't really been let down by these Hugo fragrances. And from the looks of it, just from the box here, it looks like it's the canteen style. So let's dig into this and see if it's any good. Now, just opening this box, guys, I am getting the scent already, and it already is reminding me a little bit of Hugo Reversed just from the initial box opening. But this is a pretty cool bottle. It's pretty reflective, so fits the name quite well. All silver bottle. You have your canteen style cap here. So let's take a look at the atomizer. Again, I've talked about these canteen styles before. This is on the Hugo Reverse bottle. Not the biggest fan of these, but this one seems to stay out of the way on here. So pretty average atomizer, nothing too crazy there. In the air though, quite nice. I'm picking it up already. Just tastes it a little bit. I don't recommend doing that. Yeah, this is, so far it's pretty familiar fragrance coming from this house. This particular line, it does remind me a bit of Reversed. It's got some fruity, citrusy sweetness up top. Maybe a little more intense than Hugo Reversed. I'm not sure the type of citrus here. Maybe some grapefruit. Smells like it may be a mix of citrus. It's nice though. It's a little bit sweet. Some musk. Very youthful smelling. I picture a young guy wearing this. Probably really good for a student. So if you're in school, you're going back to school in the fall, this might be a nice little cheap fragrance for you to go grab. Nothing too serious. This is not really a sophisticated scent. I don't picture this being dressed up or anything. Just a really casual, fun fragrance. So let me get this on skin. Yeah, I was a big fan of the last Hugo that I did a giveaway on. I want to say it was the Man Intense, or Man Extreme. Very nice scent. Was really blown away by the longevity of that scent. Hugo Reverse is not known for its longevity. It's a really great scent, really easygoing summertime fragrance. This is in that vein as well. But I'm also picking up elements of the Hugo Man Extreme as well. And I think it's mainly because of that vetiver. But what I do get here is this sort of soapy, clean citrus opening. Really nice. Again, super youthful. Really less youthful on my skin than what I was getting off a strip. It's not quite as sweet on my skin. That vetiver is coming through more. It's adding this sort of masculine touch to this. The big question here is, how long is this going to last? For a Hugo Boss scent, I'm not expecting too much in terms of performance. But again, I was surprised at Hugo Man Extreme, so I may be surprised by this. I don't know. Like I always do, I'm going to give this a full wear this week and talk about it a little bit more in depth in my weekly wears video, which drop every single Monday. So again, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do so. We are on the road to 8,000 subscribers. My goal is to hit 10K before the end of the year. So I need you guys' help. Please subscribe to the channel and support. I truly appreciate it. This is nice. It's a really nice daytime, playful, summertime scent. That vetiver is really evident here, and it's coming across as really a clean, soapy vetiver. So that blended with the citruses, it's really nice. It's fresh, it's clean, it's an easy dumb reach. It does draw elements of Hugo Reverse, which is one of my favorite fragrances from this particular line of fragrances, if not my favorite from that line. But I wouldn't say it's as casual as that because of the again, that sort of heavy dose of vetiver. Would love to know what you guys think of this one. Hugo Reflective Edition. Not a bad fragrance. Again, I'm going to wear it this week and let you guys know what I think overall. in my Mondays weekly wears video. So, but not a bad fragrance for $24.99. You can do a lot worse. Hugo Reflective Edition from Hugo Boss. That's all I have today, guys. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.